Coco. Are we going camping? Maybe. Oh, good to go. Should we go inside the camper? Go outside? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Hey, it's Justin from Beyond Your Front Door. New Year's Eve. Decided to get out for a last minute change. Look at that view. We're at a provincial campground. Not particularly exciting. This is the Okanagan Lake South Provincial Park. But it's got pit toilets. The whole family's here. Coco's with me. Cindy will be down after work a little bit later. So it just works really well for everybody this time of year, with the camper been dry. We're gonna have a good night, I hope. It's a little cold. I'm just getting set up. Got a soup that takes hours to cook, so I'm gonna get started on the fire, get the registration underway, all that stuff that you have to do. We'll bring you along, spend our evening with us. We're walking down to pay the fee. Coco is having a sniff everywhere. There's a couple of other people here already. Apparently camping for New Year's is not an original idea. Oh well. It's a big park. There's only 2 other campers. Should be fine. Coco's pulling me backwards because she's having a sniff of something. Come on, let's go, princess. $13 for the night. Not too bad. A couple hundred meters above where we are is the snow line, as you can readily see. Tonight, I've got this simple delish known as minestrone from Langley, British Columbia. Basically a pre-packaged minestrone soup. I'm gonna make it cast iron out on the fire. I've got the fire started, waiting for that to heat up. Read the instructions and figure this out. Instructions: slice the bottom of the bag, pinch below the pasta, and put all other ingredients in the crock pot. Sounds simple. Slice. Done. Pinch below the pasta. Working on that. Not the cleanest, but it will do. Add 1 jar of tomatoes and 8 cups of water. I picked up just diced tomatoes, fairly plain. All the seasoning should be in this. All right, smells good. Let's go get it on the fire. What is your problem? I hear all the woofs. Well, I'm not sure if you can really see much because it's dark and we're sitting outside enjoying the fire. But I think this turned out really nicely. Kind of a more of a stew by the time I put all the veggies in that I put in. Nice. And because it's New Year's Eve, you gotta have a little bit of bubbly. This is a 2018 Brut from the Fitzpatrick Winery. Sparkling wine, of course. And look at that, no spillage. Sometimes I even impress myself. Cheers. Happy New Year. That's good. That nice food. What a close to 2024. Breakfast in the camper, New Year's Day. More than I normally have for breakfast, but something been out in the fresh air gets me hungry. Good morning, Happy New Year. Quiet night last night, we slept really well. Didn't quite make it till midnight. Coco put herself to bed at 9 o'clock and I wasn't far behind that. I had a great breakfast this morning. The fresh air, just gorgeous out here. It's about 3-4 degrees at the moment. Not much of a breeze from the lake, so it's actually a perfect time. We're gonna go for a little bit of a walk, get some exercise after that big breakfast. Cups of coffee. Just normal stuff that you do on a quiet New Year's morning. Well, thank you for stopping by and spending New Year's Eve and the beginning of New Year's Day with us. We're going to be packing up soon, heading home. But what a absolutely gorgeous way to start a new year. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe, and have a great week beyond your front door.